In the evolving landscape of pickup trucks, reliability and practical value remain the ultimate benchmarks of excellence. Through decades of real-world testing and over 100,000 owner testimonials analyzed in 2024, 5 pickup trucks have consistently demonstrated superior longevity, with average lifespans exceeding 250,000 miles. Today's comprehensive analysis dives deep into these proven performers, examining crucial factors like mechanical durability, maintenance costs, and everyday usability. From powertrains that have withstood the test of time to ergonomic designs that prioritize accessibility, we'll explore why these specific models have earned the trust of the most discerning truck owners. With rising vehicle costs and increasing complexity in modern trucks, understanding these time-tested choices has never been more critical. Let's examine each model's strengths, potential concerns, and the specific features that set them apart in today's competitive market. Number 5. Ford Ranger. The Ford Ranger has evolved into a formidable player in the mid-size truck segment. The 2025 model continues to impress with its tried-and-true 2.3-liter EcoBoost engine, a power plant that's earned its reputation for reliability through years of refinement. This engine perfectly balances power and efficiency, providing confident performance whether you're commuting or towing. Beyond its mechanical prowess, the Ranger excels in practical design elements. The interior strikes a careful balance between modern technology and usable practical controls, while the exterior maintains that classic Ford truck DNA. The 2025 model's enhanced suspension system and refined cabin insulation make it one of the most comfortable daily drivers in its class, without sacrificing any of its robust truck capabilities. It's this combination of traditional truck values and modern convenience that makes the Ranger particularly appealing to experienced drivers. Number 4. Toyota Tacoma. The Toyota Tacoma has long been the cornerstone of reliability in the pickup truck world. For 2025, Toyota has maintained this legacy while carefully integrating modern features that enhance rather than complicate the driving experience. The Tacoma continues to be one of America's most dependable vehicles, striking that perfect balance between modern features and classic truck capability. What makes the Tacoma particularly appealing is its straightforward nature. No unnecessarily complex features, just pure truck functionality with the reliability Toyota is famous for. While the latest generation does pack more modern tech, including an updated infotainment system and enhanced safety features, it hasn't lost that essential Tacoma character that drivers have come to trust. This commitment to maintaining its core identity while embracing necessary modernization makes it a standout choice. Number 3. Chevrolet Silverado. The Chevrolet Silverado stands as a testament to Chevy's commitment to traditional truck values. In a world where many manufacturers are moving away from traditional powertrains, Chevy has stuck to its guns, offering both modern efficiency and classic power. The 2025 Silverado presents an impressive lineup of engines, from the efficient 2.7-liter Turbo 4 for the fuel-conscious to the mighty 5.3-liter and 6.2-liter V8 engines that deliver that authentic truck experience. Inside the Silverado, you'll find a perfect blend of modern technology and practical functionality. The 12.3-inch infotainment system coexists harmoniously with physical controls that provide tactile feedback and easier operation, especially for drivers who prefer traditional interfaces. This thoughtful integration of old and new, combined with superior build quality and comfort, makes the Silverado a top choice for those seeking a full-size truck that doesn't compromise on usability. Number 2. Nissan Frontier. The Nissan Frontier represents a pickup truck in its purest form, and the 2025 model continues this philosophy with pride. The interior is a masterclass in practical design, featuring physical buttons for essential functions while still offering modern amenities like an updated infotainment system. This thoughtful approach to design makes the Frontier exceptionally easy to operate, even for drivers who might be less comfortable with modern technology. Under the hood, you'll find a robust V6 engine that's naturally aspirated. No complicated turbochargers here, just reliable, straightforward power that's both capable and maintainable. The 2025 Frontier maintains its reputation for durability while offering improved ride comfort and handling characteristics. These improvements, combined with its straightforward design philosophy, make it an increasingly popular choice among drivers who value simplicity and reliability above all else. Number 1. Ford F-150. The Ford F-150 continues to reign as America's best-selling truck for good reasons. The 2025 model upholds this legacy of excellence by offering an impressive range of engines. From efficient EcoBoost V6s to the mighty 5.0-liter V8 Coyote, each delivering the perfect balance of power and efficiency. What truly sets the F-150 apart is its unmatched versatility. It can be configured as anything from a basic work truck to a luxury vehicle, all while maintaining that distinctive F-150 character. The F-150's interior deserves special mention, as it can be as simple or as sophisticated as you prefer, always maintaining excellent ergonomics and visibility. With its best-in-class towing capacity of 13,500 pounds and thoughtfully designed features like the ProPower onboard generator system, the F-150 continues to innovate while staying true to its roots. The 2025 model's enhanced safety features and driver assistance systems make it more accessible than ever, without compromising the authentic truck experience that has made it a favorite for generations. The pickup truck market offers countless options, but these 5 models stand apart through proven performance, thoughtful design, and lasting value. Their success isn't measured in marketing claims or initial sales figures, but in years of reliable service and consistent owner satisfaction. Each vehicle we've analyzed today represents a different approach to achieving the same goal, delivering dependable, practical transportation that maintains its value and utility over time. The true measure of a pickup truck's worth extends far beyond the dealership floor. It's found in the thousands of miles and countless tasks these vehicles handle year after year. For those seeking a truck that will serve faithfully for years to come, these models have earned their reputations through real-world performance rather than promises. Your choice among them should ultimately reflect your specific needs, but any of these vehicles will provide the reliability and satisfaction that define a truly worthy investment. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more practical automotive advice. Drop a comment below sharing your experiences with any of these trucks. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.